What's up guys? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get these gorgeous natural ombre looking brows using just two products. The Motives Cosmetics Gel Eyeliner and the Motives Cosmetics Brow Kit. Now look at the way this looks with this gorgeous smoky eye. So if you want to stick around for natural ombre looking brows, then honey, stay tuned. And welcome to your natural ombre brow tutorial. We're going to be starting off with the Motives Cosmetics Gel Eyeliner in black. So just get a little bit on the brush, not too much. And what we're going to do is we're going to start from the base of the brow, go all the way up to the arch, coming down to the tail. And then we're going to start up on top as well, only halfway. So we're going to draw a parallel line up to the top of the arch and bring it down to match with the tail. Let's do it. Now we're going to use what is left over, just the residue that's on the brush. We're going to use that just to color in the tail, just from here onwards. Okay, we want to make that color really dense and dark so that we can create that ombre effect, and then it's a gradient light effect towards the head of the brow. So go ahead and fill in the end of the brow really nice and dark. Once you get to this stage, you should have your brows looking like this. So a dark line that goes from the bottom all the way up to the arch, down to the tail. And then the top only from halfway down to the tail. And then this end of the tails should be nice and dense and filled in. So the next stage is we're going to go in with this color right here. So wipe off the excess from your brow brush. And then we're going to fill in from the base of the brow and then swoop that color into the tail to give it that nice ombre effect. Okay, once you've got up to that stage, it should look something like this. So the base of the brow is looking very, very light and subtle. And then as we get to the end of the brow, it's looking more dense and darker. So if it looks uneven, go back in with your Motives brow kit and then just fill in here from the base of the brow and just go over your work, okay, on both sides, and just make sure that it looks as even as possible. And don't worry, like this takes practice, okay? So should look something like that. The next step is to go back in with your Motives eye base, okay? We're going to fill in underneath this line right here and then fill in the rest of the brow. And what that's going to do is it's going to make your brows look really snatched, precise, and bring out the shape. And it's also going to leave a good preparation base for when we apply our eyeshadow. So I always do this step. It's highly necessary if you want to have your brows looking really nice, shaped, and snatched. Let's do it. Okay, once you finish with your eye base, you're going to go in with a foundation to go up the top and to make them look even extra snatched. Okay, today I'm going to be using this cream foundation on my face, so I'm going to go in with this foundation right here. Now this is by Motives Cosmetics and it's in the color Supreme Cream Foundation Light. So what we're going to do is just put a little bit on a brush, okay, and then we're going to go over the top. Now the reason that we use foundation and not the eye base is because one, it's going to blend in with your skin color and we don't want it to be too white up here, okay? And the other reason is because when we do our foundation, then that line is just going to blend straight in, all right? So grab your foundation, grab a brush, and let's carve out the top of your brow. And then when you're finished doing both down the bottom and up the top, your brows should look something like this. Close up. Okay, so sorry about all the banging, but it's school holidays and my kids are upstairs kicking around, and I also have a little darling princess down here with me doing her little makeup tutorial. She's sitting with me. Asia, yes? Hi, darling.
Hi, Mamu.
So now, this may feel like it's really extreme, but when you apply makeup and do a full look, your brows are just going to sink and blend into the look. It's going to look very, very harmonious, okay? It's not going to look extra. If you have just bold brows like this and no makeup, then obviously it does look really harsh. But don't worry. Once we finish our makeup look, you're going to love it, okay? That brings us to the end. Let's do the rest of our eyes. And that brings us to the end of this gorgeous natural ombre look. Here's another close-up for you. Hope you enjoyed watching, and please sound off in the comments below and let me know what your favorite brows are, natural or ombre. Until next time, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.